Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital payments to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH payment through PayPal in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more money-saving tips. Let's jump right in. First off, what's an ACH payment? It's a secure, electronic transfer that moves money directly from your bank account to another, without the hassle of checks or credit cards. In 2025, PayPal has made this even smoother with updated features for faster processing and better security. Whether you're paying a friend, a freelancer, or settling bills, this method is efficient and often comes with lower fees. To get started, make sure you have a PayPal account linked to your bank. Step 1. Log into your PayPal app or website using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request section. It's usually right on the homepage. Now, select Send Money and choose the recipient by entering their email, phone number, or PayPal username. Next, here's the key part. When you pick your payment method, look for the ACH option. In 2025, PayPal has a dedicated Bank Transfer tab for ACH. Select that, and you'll be prompted to link or confirm your bank account. Enter the amount you want to send, add a note if needed, like payment for services, and double-check everything for accuracy. Before you hit send, keep in mind a few tips. ACH payments can take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Also, watch out for any fees. PayPal might charge a small amount depending on your account type. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication on your PayPal and bank accounts to protect against fraud. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction, and you're done. You'll get a confirmation email from PayPal, and the recipient will be notified. That's it. Simple, right? By using ACH through PayPal in 2025, you're embracing a modern, cost-effective way to handle your finances. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and share it with someone who needs to know. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.